Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and we've got a 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2660 BS, and you can see it's got two doors. The floor plan is really, really nice. I like this floor plan, nice, wide open, and I also love the red brake drum that they have on the Grand Design. I'm going to get inside and show you the floor plan of the 2660 BS. Really a nice layout. I really like it. So right when we get inside, you'll see the task lighting, and that is motion detected, so that way you don't have the old trip and fall. And check out this kitchen. The width of the entire RV, you've got 3 drawers and another additional drawer, but look at this drawer here. Holy smokes. So these pegs, you put all your pots and pans in there, and then you arrange the pegs to hold the pots and pans so you don't have a yard sale. Here you have your utensils and also your larger items, and another nice drawer, as well as another nice drawer with additional pegs. Smaller oven, 3-burner cooktop, and you're thinking to yourself, well, what about a microwave? We'll get to that. Then you have an additional cabinet here and shelf space here. So then we have, excuse me, the refrigerator and freezer, and there's your microwave oven. But check this out. Look at the amount of storage space in here. And then this drawer, I think that deserves a wowee. Look at that. Wowee. So we'll button that all up and we'll swing around. We have a U-shaped dining. The table is, you can drop that down, but also you can pull it out. You can set it up how it works best. Nice flat screen TV. And then you have the smoke glass cabinets. I didn't show you this when I came in, but your lighting station. And then we have the theater seating and your remote, I'm about to say caddy, but it's really a armrest. But you also have all the goodies on your theater seating. We're going to go ahead and check out the bathroom. And I like the way this bathroom is set up. So you have your center sink, or I'm sorry, your corner sink. And then you have your commode. You have storage all the way down. And also you have that second door and a very tall shower. So I'm 6'3", and as you can see, plenty of headroom in the shower. I got my shoes on, so I'm probably, well, I don't know, 6'3", 6'3.5", maybe 6'4" with my shoes on. Plenty of space there. And now we'll head down the hall into the master bedroom, and again, over the top. So you have a planning center or a workstation. So if you work remotely, you just get yourself a chair and set your laptop up. You got cabinets on both left and right. You have your TV backer location and all of your hookups. And you have these drawers and an additional cabinet on this side. And then when I swing around, we have 2 cabinets above the bed. And then check the storage out here. So underneath the bed, and then this slides back and forth, which is really nice. So you put your shoes or whatever smaller items there. And then you have the LED strip lighting in the ceiling. So we'll head back down the hallway into the gathering room. Again, the 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2660 BS. I really like this floor plan. I hope you do too. Love to hear your comments, questions, feedback. Catch you on the next video.